Hello, today we are going to go to a jeep safari, but first we are going to eat some great breakfast buffet. Hey Paula. What shall we do today?
Jeep safari.
Hello, this is the jeep safari today and we are going up to the mountain. What do you say, Paula?
Hello.
And we are going to get to, I don't even know, up in the mountain and see some rocks and stones and some cats.
If not, then we change. Venga por aquí, chicos.
La tecnología nos ayuda a avanzar, a conectar con quien más quieres, a disfrutar de tus momentos de ocio, porque la tecnología forma parte de tu vida. Encuentra toda la tecnología en nuestras 17 tiendas de...
Wow! Everybody hands up and say hello to paparazzi. Come on, don't be shy. Hey, you freaking motherfucker, come on.
Yep. Le på alla filmer. What do you think about the trip so far, Paula?
Very good.
Okay.
Better than the catamaran.
What was it?
Yeah, besides when we swam in the ocean, I loved that.
I love the ocean also.
And the banana boat. It was really awesome.
The banana boat. And this is some dromedaries over there, down there, somewhere. Yeah, you cannot see them now, but okay. And this is a jeep, and nice nature everywhere. Awesome flower down here. Quickly, I show you. Check this out. This is a bougainvillea, I think. Kolla här, Paula, så fina träd. Mira Flores. This is a dromedar.
We call them dromedaries.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Wat doe je erin? Ja. Photographs.
Una cortado, por favor. Gracias. Hello, we have just eaten some great grilled chicken with some sangria, and after that, una cortado, por favor. Gracias. How was the food, Paula?
So.
How was the ice cream?
It was not ice cream.
But the other ice cream at the other place?
Good.
And how was the water?
Medicijnen of cosmetisch is de barbadensis millet. En hoe kunnen we die herkennen aan de hele mooie gele bloem? We zijn een week te laat. Ja, normaal staat die in bloei en het staat hier normaal nog één ergens. Ja, of
Hi, this is aloe vera plantage.
Yes.
Yeah. And it looks like this. It's 50,000 aloe vera plants and we are loaded with aloe vera now. We have drink it, put it in our skins, in our hand, and on this here and everywhere, so we are as healthy as possible. Yeah. Kan du inte stanna när jag filmar?
Men vi ska gå nu.
Ja, men stanna en sekund. Hej då, thanks for this vlog.
Ja.
Stay safe. Stay healthy, okay? Yeah. This is the last stop for this trip.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Did you see the water?
Yeah. The water is
Thanks.
there.